One of the most common things teams automate in Zenphi is document generation. Not just creating a file, but assembling the right document with the right data at the right moment in a workflow, automatically. There are three ways to do it. Let's walk through each one. The first method, and the most reliable for standard documents, is template-based generation. You start with a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word file. Zenphi allows you to map data from earlier steps in the workflow, a form submission, a spreadsheet row, an approval response, directly into those fields. You can map your placeholders and values to match your document structure to ensure that dynamic content would go exactly where it should, and populates the template with inserted merge tags to produce a finished document. There is a built-in PDF conversion. No extra step, no manual export. And the output lands wherever you've told it to go: a Drive folder, an email attachment, a DocuSign envelope. This approach is ideal for anything that needs to be consistent and on brand: NDAs, contracts, proposals, offer letters, service agreements. The second method uses an AI agent. In Zenphi, you can use one of the most popular text agents, Claude, Gemini, or OpenAI, to create the document content from scratch, based on a prompt you define. You write the instruction once. The workflow feeds in the dynamic variables: client name, a project brief, a support ticket summary, whatever the context is, and the AI produces a full draft. This is more flexible than a template, but it's also less predictable and more expensive per run. So Zenphi users typically route AI-generated documents through a human review step before anything gets sent. That's built right into the workflow. No manual handoff needed. Think of AI generation as the right tool for content that needs to feel written. Therefore, it's great for personalized client summaries, more detailed proposals, policy drafts, project write-ups. The third method of document generation in Zenphi generates a presentation, a Google Slides deck that can be converted into a PDF, using the same template logic as the document approach. This is powerful for anything that needs to look different and stay move visual for every recipient: onboarding packs, performance review decks, partnership briefs. One great example that we have from a client: KPI tracking monthly updates. One template, one workflow, a personalized presentation for every contact, generated automatically. All three methods work inside the same workflow builder. You choose the right approach for the document, connect it to the data you already have, and Zenphi handles the rest every time the workflow runs. No copy pasting, no manual formatting, no missing a step. To see document generation in action for your team, book a call with us or start a free trial at zenphi.com.